Okay, what's up, guys? Um, wait, is this thing recording? Oh, yes, it is recording. Yo, what's up, y'all? Yo, I know what y'all are thinking. I'm always doing this part-time thing of like streaming, and then something happens, but I haven't been able to stream anymore. So this is what I gotta do from now on. Now I can't stream anymore because I got temporarily banned. There was something I streamed. I was streaming A Thousand Ways to Die, which is like an old show. If you're from South Africa, you'll know. It's an old show. It's quite entertaining. So I didn't know that I would get like I would get a copyright strike, and then that would lead to me being suspended for a week. So right now, this is what we're doing. I'm just gonna be looking for entry for this. Let's see what we're gonna do. I'm a bit late, so I don't really have time for like a long introduction. That's why let's just get to the point, man. Let's get this money. What is this? 1 minute. Okay, this is good. Um, okay, it looks like it's gonna sell. Okay, no confirmation there, no confirmation there. So it seems like there aren't really much confirmations beyond that one up there. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes is also confirming. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait for confirmation. What am I doing? I'm just gonna wait for confirmation. Okay, this thing says it's gonna. So I'm gonna wait for confirmation somewhere here before I enter. I'm not gonna enter without getting a confirmation. So you see, unless I get a sell confirmation right here, I'm not gonna enter this trade. Unless I get a sell confirmation, I'm not entering this trade. It would have been good if we had a sell confirmation here, but we don't, so that's okay. This sell's not looking that strong because I'll show you now. So we had a sell confirmation right there. The sell's not looking that strong because it came and it broke there, but we don't have another confirmation anywhere here. So for that reason, this sell is not that strong, but it would have been a lot better if we had a confirmation up here. We don't, so we'll have to take this one right here. So right now, this is what this thing is telling me. This thing is telling me to go down right here. This thing is telling me to go down right there. So I would do that, and then I'm gonna set up a short term because market is right here. Let's set up. This is TP1. This is TP1. Y'all niggas know me. I like having options when it comes to take profits. So this is TP1. Let's, in terms of our risk management for now, let's just keep it like this, because if it breaks beyond that, then it means it's buying. So no pressure. If it keeps buying, no pressure, just let it buy, and we're already in. So if it keeps buying, that's not a bad thing. But also, wait, you know, one thing I didn't do, I didn't look for the buys. I didn't look for any buys, but there's no buy confirmation here, which doesn't make this trend line that strong. Also, there's no buy confirmations anywhere here. Let's go to 5 minutes. Maybe we'll see buy confirmations. Let's go to the 5 minute. Maybe we'll see buy confirmations. Okay. This is changing my feelings about this trade slightly. Buy confirmation right there. And right now, obviously, we're in the New York session. Obviously, it's not New York open, right? Obviously, but okay, let's just put that there. Because this is only here, I wouldn't say it's that strong. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing right now. Let's see on, like, if I go a lot higher, maybe I'll have a different perspective of what we're doing right here. yeah, for now, let's just hold that risk, RNR, risk to reward. Let's hold that there. Now I just want to have a bigger idea of what's happening here. Okay, as you can see, this thing is saying that it's going down. I think this is what we had from Sunday, this past Sunday. We had taken this thing down. Well, we analyzed it like this, and then we saw that we'd have to take this thing and just do like something like that, right? So yeah, right now let's just put this like this. I'm gonna go down and check something. I'm gonna go down and check something real quick. I'm gonna go down and check something. Yeah, it's looking like a sell. It really is looking like a sell. Maybe I'll clear my chart next week Sunday. Next week Sunday I'm gonna clear my chart so we can start fresh. Yeah, okay. Let me try. I'm gonna try doing something. I wanna see something. I wanna measure, like, I just have an idea of the momentum behind this trade. I have an idea of the momentum behind this trade. So now I wanna check, because that's already confirmed. If that's confirmed, I need to go to 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes and go confirm. Let's go confirm this trend line that we just drew right now. If we can get a confirmation somewhere here, that will be dope. That will be dope. What's this, 5 minute, right? We have a confirmation right here, so that's perfect. Let's see if we can get another one. The more the merrier. The more the merrier. There's another confirmation right here. This is good. This is good for this trend line. This is good for this trend line. Should I fund and trade and take this trade? Feeling a bit skeptical, but anyway. Okay, let's do this. I don't see how this is gonna create, how we're gonna have an angle like this. I don't see how we're gonna have an angle like this, but I'm gonna try doing something like that. That looks clean. Now let's go up here and see if we can get a confirmation. Oh, we can take this. Let's move that there. Let's put that up there. Okay, that's a bit of a stretch, really, but never mind, we'll take it. It is a bit of a stretch, but we'll take it, because it's not about that, like, how accurate it is. It's more about, like, the trend line represents, like, a certain price, like a certain what's that thing, isn't it, like standard deviation or something like that, like standard deviation. So because of that, it's not too bad, it's not too far off. So we'll take that trend line, and we'll keep this. And then now what we will do right now, the only time, if this thing does this, if this thing rejects here, if this thing comes back and rejects here, if it comes back and it rejects here, and then it buys, and then it rejects again, we'll look for another buy entry. But right now, let's keep this like this. If this goes all the way up and buys, that's just it. Let's just accept it for what it is. That's just it, bro. That means it was gonna go up the whole time. The reason why I'm taking this sell is because this is the most recent confirmation that we have right now. That's why I'm taking that sell over the buy. But if it were to buy, the only other time I'd look for another entry is like somewhere on this trend line. I wouldn't look for an entry here, because I wouldn't know exactly what my risk is gonna be. So yeah, man, let's just leave this like that. So yeah, like I said, this is our first point of reward. That's our first point right there. And then let's go higher, 1 hour time frame. Obviously this is gonna be like our let me rather put it there. Obviously that's gonna be our TP2. That's our TP2. That's gonna be our second take profit. Yeah, yeah. That's if I can stretch this thing all the way there, because trading on my phone is a bit difficult. I mean, thinking on my phone. Yeah, let's put that like that. I like that. I like that. It looks good. Looks good. Right now it is pushing SL, which is fine. If it does break, if it does hit SL, that's cool. We'll see the market tomorrow. Don't like fiddling too much with our thingy. What's our thingy? Anyway, that's that. Yeah. Yeah, I'll hit this nigga up right now. I'll hit this nigga up right now. Yeah, anyway, guys, let's leave this here, right here for today. And then we'll come back tomorrow, have another analysis. And then Sunday we'll be managing our books. So right now, let's just focus on this. Let's just focus on this right now. Let me see. Do we have another? Do we have a bullish confirmation? Because it looks like it's breaking. No bullish confirmation. Okay. Yeah, no. Let's leave this, because what might be happening? It might just be a stop hunt, and it might go down. The same thing happened last week. I mean, the same thing happened. I think it was Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Right here, as you can see, the same thing literally happened here, where it went for our stop loss, and then it went in our direction. So because of that, let's not adjust too much, and let's not lose faith. Let's keep this. Alright, okay, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.